My name's Ollie and I'm the marketing manager for Panasonic in the UK. So we've developed an eSports arena on our stand that basically demonstrates Panasonic's glass-to-glass solution, and we now have sort of something within every point of the production chain. So starting with the inputs, we've got a range of different cameras that we're using in that sort of environment. So we've got our 8K ROI camera system that basically takes an 8K feed, but you crop into that 8K image and you get 4 separate positions which you can pan, tilt and zoom within, in addition to your locked off shots. So you get a total of five different positions from one. We've then got our range of PTZs. So we've got the UE150, which is our 4K PTZ on either position, and we're also using the UE4 as a headshot for the players as well. We're showing again our new ISE/IP based switcher platform. That is a new version, a new solution on the market. It's a groundbreaking development that, instead of using generic hardware, uses software, and it's powered via CPU and GPU processing power, and can be powered via off-the-shelf servers and network switches and that sort of thing. The beauty of it is it's both format and resolution independent. So regardless of whether you're working in Full HD, 4K, 8K, the latency will always be one frame. So and the other nice thing about it is that it can take inputs from SMPTE 2110, NDI, baseband SDI, all simultaneously, and output them onto projectors and displays and that sort of thing. Panasonic allowed you to upgrade all existing PTZs about 18 months ago to NDI-HX, which is the HD version of NDI as a protocol, and this is something that's been widely adopted by a lot of our existing customers, and particularly those that are working in like corporate environments where they've got multiple devices that they want to see all on one network without having to manually configure each one to talk to each other. So that's where we've seen it. The UE4 came out later last year, and it's a 4K picture compared to the HD2, and it's a 111-degree field of view. So you can put it in a singular locked off position, and you can capture sort of a whole scene. We're using it in this instant, or in an eSports setup as a headshot, but you can also use it in huddle spaces and that sort of thing. And with it being 4K, it means you can pan and scan into the image, meaning that you can actually get pan, tilt and zoom movement. We've developed a lecture capture solution that works with our PTZ, so it's an auto-tracking movement of a singular presenter. So and then with that, we've then worked with the likes of Panopto that offer a sort of recording solution, and in addition to Panopto, working with a range of other providers. So the Epifan, for example, developed a Pearl, which is a neat all-in-one controller and recorder as well. So the UHS 500 is a new compact 4K switcher that supports 12G inputs and outputs, and you can also, one of the other key features is you can manually control our PTZs from the switcher. So it's very much aimed towards existing users of the HS 410, which was the HD sort of predecessor, and that was used widely in the AV rental market for sort of portable production units, but also for corporate installations as well. So the UHS 500 is our first compact 4K switcher. So rather than offering sort of a 1 or 2 ME switcher, it's just a compact unit. As a result, we see it's more diverse in the sense it can be used within portable production units, and therefore used for sort of more rental and staging markets and corporate installations as well.